Hi, my name is Roos. I'm a full-time yoga teacher in Holland and abroad. I've been doing yoga for 20 years and I've been teaching for the past 10. I make videos every Wednesday. Today I am in beautiful, beautiful Turkey on a yoga cruise, and I want to share these short morning exercises with you to wake up your body. They are Dru yoga, so they might be a little bit different than what you're used to, but they're going to really help your body to wake up in like 5 minutes just to feel active, awake, oxygenated, and ready to start your day. Don't forget to use my name, Roos, when you book your yoga cruise, because that will give you €50 discount and will also give me a small commission. Enjoy. Good morning. Let's start in Tadasana, standing. Knees a little bit soft, core engaged, arms relaxed, close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, connecting your feet to the earth, wherever you are today, whether it's at home or in a beautiful spot like the sunrise in Turkey. Open your eyes. Bring your fingers to point towards your belly with the palms facing up. Bend your knees more. And then inhale, open the arms and come onto the toes. Exhale, bend, come back. Inhale, open. Exhale. For this breath, you can inhale through the mouth if you can. Feels a little bit strange, but make it as wide as you can. A few more. Last one. Or two. And then come back. Close your eyes for a second. Feeling your posture again, core engaged, knees bent. Feel your heart rate maybe rising a little bit. We've really brought some oxygen to our body, and we're going to let that settle in now. So we're going to bounce on the heels, come onto the toes, inhale, and then start and bounce on your heels. Really let the whole body jiggle. Knees soft so you don't hurt your knee joints. And bounce as much as you can. If you have a floor that makes noise, try and make as much noise as you can. If you can, let the arms be super soft and floppy. Maybe the head as well, tilting a little bit forward. Make sure you don't fall over. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Close your eyes. Stand still. Core engaged. Feel what happens in your legs. To me, it feels like the little bubbles of a soda, of a soft drink, rising from my heels all the way up to my glutes. Feel your feet more solid in the ground now, more connected. The last exercise is the one that we call the scoops. So you reach your right hand towards your right knee, come back to the center, and then the other side. So we're bending sideways, and with the hand you make a scooping movement forward. As if you're grabbing some water from below, as if you're standing with your ankles in the ocean and you're splashing your friend. If you can and you found the movement, close your eyes to find the flow. You should feel this in your side body, but also in the low back, or waking up the kidneys so that you start your day off right. Nice. Come back to center. Slow it down. Keep your eyes closed. Just stand in Tadasana for a few more breaths. Core engaged, knees soft, shoulders back. One more deep breath here. Bring your hands in front of your heart, palms together. Bow your head to your hands. Namaste. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick but activating Dru morning sequence, the Vitality Exercises. Let me know in the comments how you like them and what other videos you would like to see so I can create those for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next Wednesday. I'm not awake yet.